Alright, what's going on, everybody? We're running this $200 Target gift card for Nicholas. Grab the list, copy and paste. There's your 10 entries. Come down here and type live. Current time of 7:44, 7:44, 7:44, and 7:44. We're in Elite, so we got to go 7 times. We got John, Dan, John, Tim, John, Tim, Mike, Robert, Sean, and Sean. We're in Elite 7 times. Good luck, everybody. We got John after 1, Dan, Mike, Tim, Robert, and after 6 we have Sean. Current time is 7:45, 7:45, and 7:45. Last and final, good luck. Mike Parker in the 7 spot. Congratulations. QRXXMT. We are done. 7:45, 7:45, 7:45, and 7:45. Congratulations, Mike. Sorry to everyone else.